Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Some of you guys might know me from Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest, but if you are new here, my name is Binti, and I own a small cosmetic brand called Binti Beauty where I sell lip glosses, body products, and just like lip care. But today I'm just unboxing some inventories, and after this I'm going to show you guys how I package my orders. I really love how the new bubble mailers look, but I also got some lip gloss tubes from Amazon. I do get most of my tubes from Alibaba, but because Valentine's Day is around the corner and I need some new products to launch soon, I went ahead and got these. They're really cute, but they are kind of small. This is how they look. So this is supposed to be a pill-shaped lip gloss tube, which is kind of cute, and I really like the color. I also got this pink holographic bags. I normally get the tiny ones, but this time I got a big one because I am trying to make those lip glosses into a bundle, so I'm trying to fit everything in here. And this is how it looks after I fill up all of the lip glosses. I didn't get to record everything just because I was running out of time, but I'm just gonna do a quick swatch of how they look. This gloss is cherry scented, and this gloss is raspberry lemonade scented, and it has pink tint. And this gloss is strawberry vanilla scented, and it has this nice shimmer to it. And this gloss is probably one of my favorite. It is clear, it smells like strawberry vanilla, and is filled with little tiny hearts. So here's how the bundle looks, and this is now available on the website. And now I'm just getting ready to pack some orders. I have about 20 orders to pack today, but I'm probably just gonna do 5 or 6 on cameras because I don't want this video to be too long. I'm just gonna stop talking because I'm gonna be packing orders for the rest of the video. So I hope that you like this video, and if you have any video suggestion or ideas, just make sure that you comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And you can also check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, or visit my website, bintibeauty.com. And I will see you in the next video.